Good evening, I'm meteorologist Karen Williams, and as you can see by our radar, there's some few showers that are moving through our area, the heaviest of which are off to the northeast, mainly along Oxford and Ripley and Tupelo as well. The lighter showers tend to be a little bit down to our south. Now we have mild temperatures and we also had plenty of wind around. So this is the leading edge of the front that's moving through. And of course for your Sunday, we'll have an unsettled day, but those temperatures will be noticeably cooler than what they were today. I'll have your full forecast coming up as the Delta News at 10 weekend edition starts now.
News that works for you. This is the Delta News at 10.
Well, Aunt Janita, we had partly cloudy, mostly cloudy conditions outside. We had some widespread showers and plenty of wind. Now that's what's going to move on out of here for our Sunday, and of course we're going to have colder temperatures. We'll have your out the door forecast after the break. Taking a look at your weather headlines, we had a mild Saturday to start, even though we had the clouds. But later in the afternoon, we had some gusty southerly winds that moved in just ahead of a cold front. And along with those gusty winds, we started to see widespread light to moderate rain that moved into the area. Now, for the most of the part right now, it's back to moderate conditions outside, but the temperatures are a little bit cooler. And here's why. Now, as we look at our radar here, you can see this is the weather maker that moved in our direction. This is a very potent one because of the fact that folks in Chicago and a good portion of the Central Plains all the way over to the Mid-Atlantic, folks are going to be getting anywhere from a foot to a foot and a half of snow. This is because they have cold weather already in place there. So this is going to be a major winter event for those folks there. For us, we're just getting the colder temperatures. That's what we're going to have for the Sunday. And we're going to have a little bit of unsettled pattern for Sunday, but then we'll have the colder temperatures. And again, sunshine will return by Monday. Now, as we look at our out the door forecast for your Sunday, we'll have partly cloudy conditions, 49 degrees. Then by noon, still a mixture of clouds and sun, 51 degrees. And then by 5 p.m., we still keep those clouds around, 49 degrees. Now, looking at the low temperatures tonight, as you go to our north, it's a little cooler, upper 40s, and then move down to the south where the front hasn't occurred to our southeast, temperatures in the 50s. We're looking at Kosciuszko at 53, Yazoo City at 54 degrees. High temperatures tomorrow will be in the 50s. We're looking at 57 for Grenada and 58 for Chula. Losing my voice there. 24-hour temperature difference, of course, it was warmer, 11 degrees warmer in Clarksdale, 10 degrees warmer for Greenwood, and 17 degrees warmer down in Jackson. And again, as we look at our storm reports here, again, we have a lot of wind and these wind advisories that are in effect. But as we zoom it back out and you see the front moving through, then you'll see exactly those front that will move through. Again, with our future cast, we had the showers to move through, but notice on Monday things will start to dry out, and that indicates that we'll have clearer weather. Now, looking at your future tracker, again, the front will move through. The winds are no longer coming from the south. They're coming down from the north, northwest. And again, that's a drying wind, and that's what's going to give us the colder temperatures. There's also going to be a few bits of snow there, parts of Tennessee, but we won't have to worry about that. Only right at the border there, Tennessee and parts of Mississippi might see some wet snow by Monday, but just don't worry about that. It's not going to stick. Now, temperature trend for toward the week, the warmest day will be Thursday, and notice we have that seesaw pattern that's going to be in effect, and we'll be dry for the rest of the week except for Thursday and Friday. Next weather maker will be moving in. Now, looking at your forecast, we'll have showers before midnight, then windy, 49 degrees, and then for your Sunday, we'll have sun mixed with clouds, windy, 55 degrees. And then looking ahead at that 7-day forecast, will be dry for the beginning part of the week, but those temperatures will be in the upper 40s. Then by Wednesday, Angelita, we start to warm up, but that's when we'll notice the next system that will be moving in, with temperatures reaching the 60s by Thursday and then back in the 50s by Friday.
Those temperatures just keep changing, Karen.
Every time, it's just like the roller coaster effect of temperatures. That's what we have to deal with.